Hello, I'm Angela Caglia and welcome to my treatment room. I'm going to show you how to use my newest launch, which is my 18 karat gold plated gold cryo set. Now these are modeled after what I've been using in my aesthetic room for years. The gold cryo facial not only has soothing benefits from the gold, which goes back thousands of years, but also the cryotherapy benefits immediately to your skin. So what I love to do, I'll apply my daily botanical serum to my skin. And this is filled with so many yummy organic ingredients. There's rosehip, sea buckthorn, frankincense, lang lang, and meadow foam seed oil. I love to just pat it in. It also helps protect against transepidermal water loss and really nourish the skin and give instant glow. Once I do that, I'll go ahead and grab my cryo set. And I love to do this in the morning. So when I wake up and I'm puffy the night before, whether it's from another glass of wine or too much salt in my dinner, I will most definitely want to be using my cryo. What I recommend is you hold it just like this, and you see how they're shaped teardrop. You want to hold that part over your eyes quickly and lift up. That way it's getting both the top lid and underneath to help with puffiness, because that's where you're puffy. And then you can lightly glide over, just like this. You can turn it around and glide this way to help literally move the fluid retention. So you want to go 3 times light outward strokes, and then you want to drop below the ear where the lymph node is. That way the fluid retention can drain. And then I'll go up, out. There's really no wrong way to do it, as long as you're going in one direction out and you're lightly gliding over your face. Now, when they're really cold, you're going to want to do this very quickly, and you're going to feel like an instant tightening and glow to your skin. And you can literally give yourself a cryofacial in 3 minutes. What I like to do is put these in the freezer the night before. They have a case where they'll sit perfectly in the freezer. And then in the morning, there's a liquid inside that's going to be frozen. And when this liquid is frozen, it helps maintain the temperature of freezing of your cryo sticks. So they're very easy to use. You have here, this is a silicone. It's easy to clean. It's medical grade silicone, and you can hold there. And then you just have fun. And I'm going to show you one of the techniques that I love to do. In the treatment room, I will go this way with one, and then I'll take this one and I'll go up. So I'll be going across and up, across and up. And this just gives a little sculpting and lifting with the cold temperatures. And it doesn't take long at all. The effects are immediate. And what you're doing is just stimulating the blood flow. It's going deep down, kind of tricking your skin into thinking it's been wounded to where it will stimulate collagen. I love to do my cryo set in the morning, I prefer, because it's a real wake up and it helps with the puffiness. I do it 3 to 4 times a week in the morning, and I love to do it over my daily botanical serum or over my souffle moisturizer. I hope you have fun with these. They're absolutely gorgeous. They're very, very elegant, and I designed them just for you so you can create your own cryofacial at home.